Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we got this loaded beauty. It's a 2012 F-250 Lariat, loaded with all the extras. On the front there, you got the chrome bumpers, chrome grille with the fog lights. You got aftermarket fuel off-road 20-inch wheels. Great suspension system. F-250 Lariat, you got the power folding tow mirrors, the 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, you got the Ford factory running boards, it is a full crew cab, you got the rear sliding glass, it's got the FX4 off-road package on it, it's got the tow package on it, you also got backup radar, backup camera, you've got a spray-in bed liner. The rear folds down, it has this little bar that sticks up and a step that comes out, so you can get up into this truck easily, which with the lift comes in handy. It's a beautiful, beautiful dark green with tan trimming. I'm not sure the size of the lift on it. It also has remote start on the key fob. As you can see, the remote start does work. Sounds good. Inside we got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, including power folding mirrors, power seat, leather seats. Leather's a little bit worn, but it's in good shape, no rips, tears. Got a sunroof, lots of cup holders. There's 2 there, 4 up here. There's also a little storage compartment with an additional charging port there. We got our built-in brake controller. It does have the tow package. Your 4-wheel drive. Let's wait for the radio to come up there. It does have navigation, as you can see there. It's got the Microsoft Sync. This includes Bluetooth, auxiliary import. Over here you've got your traction control, your hill assist, 12-volt charger there, and another one over here. In-steering controls for both your Bluetooth and your cruise control. No warning lights on the dash. 148,072 on the mileage. You got your sunroof controls as well as your rear sliding window control. Got your fog and automatic lights there. In the back, plenty of leg room. Beautiful tan leather. These seats are in even better shape than the front. Gorgeous, no real wear to speak of. In the back, it looks like you've got a 12-volt and an inverter there. The seats do fold up for storage underneath, but it's currently locked and the key's in the ignition, so I can't unlock it, fold it up and show you. Headliner's in great shape. Thing is clean, carpets, no stains, leather's in great shape. Go ahead and show you underneath. Doesn't look like it's had a lot of mud, nothing more than a little bit of dirt down there, which is normal, no big cakes of mud or rust or anything like that. Dash is in good shape. Carpet over here is in good shape. A little storage here for the passenger. Does have dual climate control. Heated and air conditioned seats. I think I forgot to mention that. Both rear and both on driver and passenger, independently controlled. Leather here is again a little bit worn, but in good shape overall. There's your power folding tow mirrors. Engine is clean. Do have some tow hooks there on the front. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Won't last long. I'd love to get you approved on it. We have approvals for every type of credit, good or bad. We can get you approved on this truck. If you go to our website at mallardmotors.com, fill out an application. It'll take you a few minutes. We'll get you back an approval. Remember, trust the duck.